Richard. I'm one of the lead educators and one of the practitioners here at A Training. So today we're going to be just talking a little bit about PRP. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. So what we have done today is taken the client's blood, we've then popped that into the centrifuge, and then what we can see through here is all of the white blood cells and the nutrients, which is the plasma, has risen to the top. We've got all the red blood cells which are at the bottom. We're then going to use the plasma onto the skin. So we're going to use a couple of methods. One method we use is where we inject plasma around the tear trough area. We also use microneedling, and then we place the plasma over the skin, which is going to be absorbed, and what that's going to do is help with cell renewal. It's going to help with repair of the skin. So a really fantastic treatment for pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help with dark circles under the eyes. It's going to help with smoothing and really giving the skin a real boost. We also use plasma for avoidable hair loss. This is injected into the scalp, and basically what the plasma does is it feeds the follicle and helps to strengthen the strands of hair. So really amazing all-round blanket treatment for the face and neck. We also treat the scalp. So this is PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma.